I'm gonna stop at 50. Kind of magic. It was like queen e2, bishop e7, all very standard stuff. Bishop e1 is weird. It does a b5, I guess, but whatever. It goes e5, of course I play knight e5. I could have taken first, I guess. Why didn't I take on f3 first? Yeah, now I'm getting sloppy because I'm annoyed. Go h5 or something. Alright, I just blundered bishop g6, I might have. Maybe not. Of course he finds that. His idea is d6. The heck? Am I actually losing here somehow? Oh, I don't believe it. Of course, I think I'm losing. I'll go here. Oh, he trades. Huge mistake. I mean, I was completely lost if he didn't trade. I mean, I still might be lost, but at least now I can try to pretend. If he goes queen g5, I resign the game. Here, his check, but I mean, it's an exchange. I'm very lucky. What's going on with the rook has been there for 10 moves. Yeah, I'm very, very lucky. Yeah, I mean, if he doesn't trade, I just resign the game basically. Now I'm gonna get a bunch of p on the queen side, or I thought I was. Actually, I don't. I mean, I can create the connect 4. Probably just create the connect 4 here. And with the bastion, it's even better. Bad bishop as well. Activity everywhere. Yeah, I should just win this. At b5 also... Wait. No, this must be right. No, b5 actually is going to trade and sack the rook, so... I'm gonna go here. c4, very big threat here. Still keep my connect 4 in play. Take, of course. Start pushing the p up the board. I'm gonna start pushing all my p very quickly. I don't think he can stop my p. Keep pushing p. Go here, attack the rook. I still guard. Go here, keep pushing the p. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep pushing p. Push p. Keep pushing the p. Resigns. There we go.